for the calling and passing values to base class constructor in derived class. Means whatever I have the base class values, right? So we are going to pass means base class constructor की जो वैल्यू है उसको हम या तो कॉल करेंगे और पास करेंगे कहाँ पर डिराइव्ड क्लास के कंस्ट्रक्टर में. So this one we are going to see this concept, right? That is the final things is here. We are going to call the base class constructor in the derived class, as well as we are going to passing the values of the base class constructor into the derived class. This is our purpose, right? So now we are going to see in the practical zone how can we pass this section, right? So come to the moment. And now finally in the previous code I am just going to remove in this previous class, and coming to this part, and we are taking the here class is that sub. I am taking one class is the father, and I am taking the protected data here, right? Access level I am taking the protected, and in that we have to, oh sorry, we are taking the integer data for the, I'm just taking the height, right? Height is the variable here. And this data is the protected, but next what I want to do, I want to go for the public mode, and in that public access specifier mode I am taking the father construct. Because I have to create a constructor, we need to take the same class name, just give the parentheses, opening and closing. This is our constructor. This is a default constructor. We know that we can't pass, sorry, we can't return any types with this constructor, but I can pass the parameters. What I am going to do, here I am going to pass the integer and I'm taking the h1 is the reference. And why I am taking the constructor? Because I have the protected data, so I have the two way. I can create the method and I can set the data into the public mode with the help of our method. And in the second way, I can set this protected data into the public mode with the help of constructor, right? So here what I am going to do, I'm just assigning this height. This is the on the h, means h we are going to assign onto the height. That means protected data is here, but we are going to copy of this, means h we are going to copy on this height, right? That means we are not accessing this one, we are going to access this data. Clear? That is the purpose. Because we know that I can't access protected and private data outside the class. So that's why we are coming to the public and we're taking the constructor, and in that constructor we are going to assign it to the public mode, right? Now what I want to do, I have to do one more thing here. I have to go for the printed some data, right? So what I am going to do, I am just use the constructor, and I would like to say here, hey constructor, you are the constructor of father class, not to the other class, because I have to identify if I am calling to the accessing section in the code, I must be identifier which type of constructor, from base class or like anyone, because I don't know what is this one, right? So that's why I'm going to do here. Now this one is the close for the indel and this is over, right? So this is for our constructor. This is the base class constructor. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to create a one more class. This is the class, and we are taking the class is the name anything like father is that child is the better class for this, right? And we are taking the class, and here I am going to use the father. This is the class name. One more thing here, if you are giving this father class and if you are not accessing father class, then it will be inherit into the public. Get your point? In the inherit into the public mode. But if I want to go for the private inheritance, protected inheritance, because this concept we know that for the inheritance in the C++. But if you go to the Java, there will be used the extends keyword we are going to use here, right? This is the father, and now here in that we are going to inherit the features of this child class. We are going to open and close, and we are going to create a one more constructor for this, like which one? This is the public mode, because I know that if I have to create a constructor, we are going always into the public mode here, right? And we have to take the this constructor. This is a child, right? And here I have to pass the data, means I am passing it because I have the integer data. I am taking the index. Now here I am calling to this one, and some message we are going to the print. And here I am going to say, hey, you are the, means I can say this one is the child class has destructor. That means destructor or derived class, I will say derived, not a destructor. Sorry for blunder mistake. This is not a destructor, this is a constructor, right? Constructor is the right. And now we are going to indel and that's it. That means we are going to implement to this constructor. Now we are, what I want to do, I have to take one more method because I want to see on the something on the screen. I want to display because nothing will be happen on the display. That means what is happening in the computer science, right? So that's why we need a something display on the screen, right? Whatever we are written the code, user must be see on the screen. Suppose screen is blank, so that means what is happening, that is nothing is happening, that totally is going to waste, right? So here what are we going to do here? We are going to just the message is printing it, hey, height is calling. That is not right moment is calling, it's something time is calling to this, right? And now sorry for this indent. It's over. Now this method is over. We are coming to the part is the constructor. And what is our purpose? I have to call the base class constructor. What I have the base class constructor? This one, right? So base class constructor is the father class and this is our base class constructor. So what I have to do here, I have to call to into child class that constructor. So how can I call to this base class constructor? So see, I'm passing the values. How can we pass the values to child class constructor? Means derived class here, right? So child class is our derived class here. So I have to pass here. Just use the column, right? Give the your class name, father, and here you have to give this because constructor is father. Just there is that closing is parting is here. Now we have to pass the x, right? X is passing here, that means here same reference we have to pass here. So father class constructor values is going to pass into the your derived class. Yes, in this. So whatever I have the values of this constructor, this base class constructor, we are going to pass into the derived class constructor. Here we are going to the pass, right? That's it. So that is our purpose. So this is our major code. We have to understand. Getting a point. So what we have to going to do? यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, फादर क्लास की जो कंस्ट्रक्टर की जो वैल्यू है ना, उसको हमने चाइल्ड क्लास के कंस्ट्रक्टर में पास कर दिया। तब ध्यान रखिएगा, जो यहाँ पर आप रिफरेंस दोगे ना, वही रिफरेंस आपको यहाँ पर देना है। यू हैव विल बी नेवर गिव एनी difference reference, you have to give always same reference, right? This one or that, and you have to print the message on the child class has derived, right? This is the message for this one. Now this concept is over. I hope all of you are getting, your mind is going to the clarify. If something is happening in this anywhere, we will be discuss about later. Okay, so now we are coming to the next part in here. Just over. Sorry for delay. So here we are stopping. Now coming to display method, we are going to height is calling here, right? And here I have to, because if I am passing the height, so I have to also print the height. What I am going to do, height is there. Okay, right? Height is there, and we have to the print, right? So we are going to print the height. Now what I have to do, I have to call to the this derived class constructor. So I need to create the object of derived class in the main class. What is our derived class? Child, right? And we are going to create the object of this. So I am taking the object name of this, the like demo. Demo is our object name. This is a static object, right? We are taking the demo object and we are calling to the display method. I can, so what I have to do here, I am just calling to this display method, right? Display, because I have to see that. But one more thing here, I didn't give any data. What I have to do, because if I'm creating the object, constructor will be called automatic. So here I will pass the value in the constructor because I have the constructor, and in that constructor we have to pass the value integer, right? So I'm passing the like height is at 12 feet height. This is right, and this one is the over. Okay, so now demo.display, this is the constructor. So this value, because we know that if object is created by default, first base class constructor will be the call. So base class constructor is initialized with the your value is that what is here 12, right? So 12 is going to initialize. Now this 12 is going to pass to this web data and now we are going to print some messaging here, right? So base class की जो value हो कहाँ पर पास हो रही है, child class से constructor में पास हो रही है, ठीक है? And now we can print to this data. Now we have to see the outputs what is coming. So what is the printed? 12 will be the printed and this message will be the printed here. Getting a point? So just go to build and run, compile and run, not build and build means compile. Now see, first constructor of father is calling. That means this object is creating. That time base class constructor will be called. Obviously, no problem. Next, which one is child class has derived class. So next constructor will be called child class derived. So that means उसके बाद हमारा क्या प्रिंट कर रहा है, ये हमारा किसको प्रिंट किया, इसको प्रिंट किया। क्यों? क्योंकि बेस क्लास के कंस्ट्रक्टर के बाद किसको कॉल करेगा, चाइल्ड क्लास को। लेकिन जो वैल्यू है इसमें पास कर रहा है एंड दैट मैसेज इज प्रिंटेड, राइट। तो हमने वैल्यू जो पास किया है डिराइव क्लास में वो मैसेज यहाँ पर प्रिंट करे उसकी वजह से। नाउ डिस्प्ले मेथड हमने एक्सेस किया हुआ है, तो वहां पर देखिए लिख रहा है height is calling and height is your 12. That is our purpose, right? So this is the, in this way we can pass the base class constructor values into the derived class constructor. I hope your all of these things is clear. So thank you very much for this class. We'll be meet into the next session. So sorry for this delay all the purpose, and just stop little bit hold. अरे crazy.